There's two.
I'm shooting the one on the right. You're shooting the one on the left.
You should this one on the right.
All right. Three, two, one. So this is a Olight Goba. Like, I never thought there'd be much chop, but Pud and I have lost our bikes a couple of times. You know, you get out 300 or 400 metres chasing pigs and then trying to find the bikes, and if it's high grass you can't even see them through the thermal, so it makes life pretty hard. So I bought this thing. It seems to work pretty damn good. We just walked up and could easily come back to the bikes. They'll probably come in and cross this road, I reckon. Someone's going to have to watch them up.
I'm going to go over that far fence on the left.
The mob of pigs up here going through. We've just seen them come out of that canola there. They're just coming up through here. It's going to be damn hard to see them. I've lost sight of them. Down there they come. You're going to get amongst all these trees up in here. Got to be careful in here. Me, that little pig. Where did he go? There he is. I don't know. I don't know, 2. Better go and clean up. Hey? No, we got to finish them off. Gosh, that was lucky. I wonder if this is Stu's bore. Actually, still getting up. Trouble is this mud, so it gets stuck in that mud. Gonna have to get the one Stu's talked about when he was looking at a water rat and the pig got up out of the wallow on the other side when he was filming the water rat. I think this is it. This guy was already onto me, although he was just walking up the bank. It's a solid pig. Yeah, well, we've just had a storm blow up. I've just got off the water quickly. We're just trying to beat this home, but I don't know how we're going to go. Fair bit of thunder about.